Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Google Forms needs permission error. This issue can be frustrating when you're trying to share a form and respondents keep hitting permission walls. So let's get this sorted out step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to forms.google.com. Once you're there, sign in using your credentials. Make sure you're logging into the account where your form is stored, as this will give you the necessary access to modify the sharing settings. After signing in, you'll land on your Google Forms dashboard. Here you'll see a section called Recent Forms. Browse through and click on the specific form that's giving you the permission error. This opens up the form editor where you can make all the necessary changes to fix the access issues. Now look towards the upper right toolbar of your screen. You'll see a button labeled Share right next to the Publish option. Go ahead and click on the Share button. This is where you'll control who can view and edit your form, which is exactly what we need to adjust to resolve the permission problem. Once the sharing settings menu appears, navigate to the section labeled Editor View. You'll notice a drop-down menu right beside it. Click on that drop-down and select Anyone with Link. This ensures that anyone who has the link can view or edit the form if you've given them editor permissions, removing any restrictive access barriers. Next, scroll down or navigate to the section labeled Responder View. Just like before, you'll see a drop-down menu beside it. Click on this drop-down and again select Anyone with Link. This is the crucial step that allows anyone with your form link to actually fill it out without running into permission errors. By setting this to Anyone with Link, you're essentially opening up the form to be accessible without requiring specific Google account permissions. After you've made both of these changes, click the Done button to save your new sharing settings. These adjustments will now apply to your form and the permission issue should be completely resolved. Finally, in the upper right corner of your screen, you'll see a button that says Copy Responder Link. Click on it, then hit Copy. This gives you the direct link to your form that you can now confidently share with others, knowing they won't encounter any permission problems when trying to access or fill out your form. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the Google Forms permission error and your form is now accessible to anyone you share it with. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.